Lenovo Legion 5 with RTX 3050 at a price of 68,000. Now, as per we know that Legion is just amazing, and this laptop at this price is just a game changer. This laptop with promising specs, you should buy this laptop or look out other laptops. We will cover all these stuffs in this video, so let me start this video. So first we will know about specs of this laptop, and second I will give my conclusion you should buy this laptop or not. This laptop comes with 15.6 inch of full HD display with 120Hz of refresh rate and 250 nits of brightness. It sounds really good at this price. The display of this laptop comes with 75% NTSC and 100% sRGB. I doubt at 75% NTSC and 100% sRGB because at this price actually no other laptops give this 100% sRGB and 75% NTSC. These specs are just only on paper. I have not used this laptop, and if anybody have used this laptop, just comment it down. Talking to the processor, this laptop comes with the Intel Core i5-10500H with 6 core and 12 thread. This processor outstands all the stuff like gaming, productivity such as video editing, image processing and 3D rendering, and like other things. You might think that it's older generation processor, but my friend, I don't think so. Enough capable to do all this stuff. The game changing thing is not CPU actually, it's CPU, that is RTX 3050. And the most powerful thing in this laptop is RTX 3050 with a 4GB VRAM which comes with 95 watt TGP. That's just amazing thing in this laptop, and that is the feature why you should buy this laptop. And 8GB DDR for 3200 MHz of RAM. You can just expand up to 32GB, and also 512GB of M.2 NVMe SSD. That's really fast, and a 720p HD webcam, 600 watt battery. Like you will not expect much more in this gaming laptops. And an amazing cooling system. Cooling system in this laptop is just outstanding on the market and industry. Like any other laptops have not such a cooling system. And the most important thing in the laptop is the cooling system. Without a good cooling system, our laptops not will run smooth. I think you understand what I am trying to say. And with a great keyboard, or with not a 4-zone RGB, and you just can't expect this thing. So that's all the specs of this laptop. These specs are really great, especially the GPU segment with RTX 3050. That are the things that I informed you. If you are enjoying my videos, then just subscribe my channel. So we will be on next video.